Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good week. What's in the shop Wednesday? So let's get into it. We got this S550, guys. This thing got wrecked, unfortunately, but he brought it to the right spot. We're gonna fix it. It's a beautiful car. I really like the wheels. Even though it's got no tint, I think the trim goes to everything. But long story short, somebody that wasn't supposed to touch it, touched it. And so we're here to try to fix it. You know, you can see all the swirls. It looks like somebody used a high-speed rollie. So make sure you check on who you're doing. This is a full body PPF job that we're already done. The rear bumper got damaged, so we're gonna pull the PPF off the rear bumper and reapply it, guys. So many times PPF does save some of that impact damage without making you go to the body shop to get some paint repair. That's not always the case, but many times PPF is gonna save your vehicle from impact damage, and that's why we do it, guys. This car we coated in 2020. We did its reinstallation of a new ceramic coating and did an interior detail, and its owner's on its way. Great family. They've been supporting me for 10, 15 years, and we've been doing that. And then inside over here, this 5 Series, guys, we did this was a 2022. We just redid the ceramic coating here not too long ago as well. But what it's in here today, it's for, we just reconditioned the interior leather, guys. This seat had some wear and tear from the last 6 years. And so as you can see, now it looks brand new, and it's gonna be going home. This Jaguar, it was a full vinyl wrap. Zoe's in there. Her poor fingers are getting hurt and it's hot. So it had a matte black vinyl wrap. So it was looking weathered, a few years old. So we're removing it, and we're gonna do a little bit of black PPF on the pillars, and that's it. And then this Cayman, guys, we did it in 2021. We did a 5-year coating, and now we're gonna reapply our 7-year ceramic coating on it. It's a great looking car, and we're gonna paint correct it and get it looking better again. So it's gonna be coming in the shop here pretty soon. And then in the clean room, we still got the ZR1. We're almost done laying all the film down, so pretty soon it's gonna go back. We're gonna put all the trim back on, and then we're going to, you know, put the film on all the trim that gets back on. But that's what's going on over there. And then we got the Super Duty, man. The Super Duty belongs to my neighbor. He always walks up to me. He's like, "Why is your truck so shiny? Why is your truck so shiny?" So we finally got it in here. We're doing a full front PPF on the front end, ceramic coating, and then he's gonna do just 70% ceramic IR window tint all the way around. So my neighbor's gonna be looking good like me. So anyways, guys, that's what we got going on right now. Thank you so much for you guys' support, and we'll see you guys on What's in the Shop Wednesday next week.